Good afternoon. So in front of you, you see the lesson for the Bio 20 on September 21st. I hope some of you really enjoyed going golfing. This is what you missed. We started this class by introducing the idea that all things are recycled because Earth is a closed system. We need to recycle matter, and that's really what Chapter 3 is all about. And so what you will be responsible for are the four cycles, the hydrological cycle, the carbon-oxygen cycle, the nitrogen cycle, and the phosphorus cycle. Next, you have a picture of a T-Rex, Adolf Hitler, and optical illusion that, when done properly, would show you an image of a figure that might represent Jesus. And simply the idea is that all of the molecules like carbon and nitrogen that might have been found in these characters might also be found in you. And so in some senses, we might call them your relatives in a very loosely based way. Next, we looked at examples of why we might need to recycle. So for example, why would water need to be recycled? Right now it's found in lots of different places, like in pipes and in sewers and in dogs or cats drinking out of the toilet, underground, in sewage treatment plants, in caves. And if that particular matter, water, couldn't be recycled, then it would be difficult for us to live. We looked here at just a recycling video that shows how well Edmonton is doing with recycling. If you want, you can copy that and watch that. And then we looked at this particular video here, which is Bozeman science, and it deals in a real general way with these cycles. So we talked about the acronym SHNOPS, which stands for carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur as being key atoms, key elements that need to be recycled in order for life to happen. And I would highly recommend that you watch this particular video because it gets at some of those in a general sense, how that happens. Finally, we finished up with another video on Biosphere 2, and it is a TED Talk, and it's about this woman who ended up spending 2 years in Biosphere 2, the whole idea being, can we actually create an artificial setting that would allow for matter to be recycled? So what I would do is watch some of the videos, maybe do a little bit of reading in your textbook, and get a sense for what these cycles are. Tomorrow we'll be looking at them in a lot more detail.